Question 1. Which country is known as the land of the rising sun? The correct answer is Japan. Question 2. Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? The correct answer is lion. Question 3. Which country is famous for the Eiffel Tower? The correct answer is France. Question 4. Which bird is a symbol of peace? The correct answer is dove. Question 5. Which country is famous for kangaroos? The correct answer is Australia. Question 6. Which animal is known as the ship of the desert? The correct answer is camel. Question 7. Which country is famous for the Great Wall? The correct answer is China. Question 8. Which animal is the tallest in the world? The correct answer is giraffe. Question 9. Which country is famous for pizza? The correct answer is Italy. Question 10. Which bird cannot fly? The correct answer is penguin. Question 11. Which country is famous for maple syrup? The correct answer is Canada. Question 12. Which animal has a long trunk? The correct answer is elephant. Question 13. Which country is famous for the Taj Mahal? The correct answer is India. Question 14. Which animal is known as man's best friend? The correct answer is dog. Question 15. Which country is famous for sushi? The correct answer is Japan. Question 16. Which animal changes color to blend in? The correct answer is chameleon. Question 17. Which country is famous for the pyramids? The correct answer is Egypt. Question 18. Which bird is known for its colorful feathers? The correct answer is peacock. Question 19. Which country is famous for chocolate and watches? The correct answer is Switzerland. Question 20. Which animal is the fastest land animal? The correct answer is cheetah. Question 21. Which country is famous for the Blue Lagoon? The correct answer is Iceland. Question 22. Which animal is known for building dams? The correct answer is beaver. Question 23. Which country is famous for the Colosseum? The correct answer is Italy. Question 24. Which bird can fly backwards? The correct answer is hummingbird. Question 25. Which country is famous for the Sydney Opera House? The correct answer is Australia. Question 26. Which animal carries its baby in a pouch? The correct answer is kangaroo. Question 27. Which country is famous for the Acropolis? The correct answer is Greece. Question 28. Which animal is known for its black mask around the eyes? The correct answer is raccoon. Question 29. Which country is famous for fjords? The correct answer is Norway. Question 30. Which animal is known as the largest cat species? The correct answer is tiger. Question 31. Which country is famous for Mount Fuji? The correct answer is Japan. Question 32. Which animal is known for having 3 hearts? The correct answer is octopus. Question 33. Which country is famous for the Burj Khalifa? The correct answer is UAE. Question 34. Which animal is the largest reptile? The correct answer is crocodile. Question 35. Which country is famous for Petra? The correct answer is Jordan. Question 36. Which animal is known for playing dead? The correct answer is opossum. Question 37. Which country is famous for Angkor Wat? The correct answer is Cambodia. Question 38. Which animal is the largest species of deer? The correct answer is moose. Question 39. Which country is famous for the Giant's Causeway? The correct answer is Ireland. Question 40. Which animal is known as the king of the Arctic? The correct answer is polar bear. Question 41. Which country is famous for Machu Picchu? The correct answer is Peru. Question 42. Which animal is known for its powerful memory? The correct answer is elephant. Question 43. Which country is famous for the Kremlin? The correct answer is Russia. Question 44. Which bird can mimic human speech? The correct answer is parrot. Question 45. Which country is famous for the Matterhorn mountain? The correct answer is Switzerland. Question 46. Which animal stores fat in its hump? The correct answer is camel. Question 47. Which country is famous for the cliffs of Moher? The correct answer is Ireland. Question 48. Which animal is known for eating bamboo? The correct answer is panda. Question 49. Which country is famous for the Statue of Liberty? The correct answer is USA. Question 50. Which animal is the largest mammal in the world? The correct answer is blue whale.